Hi everyone, it's Adriano here from BSZ Food, and today we're going to talk about Tri-Tip. Next to Pichania, Tri-Tip is very popular in Brazil. The first thing you need to do is find a good Tri-Tip with your butcher and remove the silver skin. After you trim your Tri-Tip, you need to add some flavor with extra mojo. Today we're gonna use a battery-powered rotisserie. Place the Tri-Tip on the skewers and leave it for 10 minutes. Now it's time to get your barbecue ready. Place lit heat beads lump charcoal on both sides baskets of your kettle. Now place your rotisserie in the center of the barbecue. After 20-30 minutes, move the basket to the center of the barbecue to get a nice crust. Now let's rest for 10 minutes and shave the meat. That's it, that's Tri-Tip Brazilian style. You should try at home.